Phutbol Lymbung Hima.
Ki Paidbah kilayalum Lymbung hamadan golfling ban Peitkai ke jingya kun semi-final jong ke Durand Cup hapadeng ke Shillong Lajong Football Club bat ke North East United Football Club hagala sengiu belai. Ki babon negini ki Paidbah ki day ki bakhlem la asyuk ban yo tiket ban leit Peitkai hamadan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Apollo. Nah kalian ka sorkar kala bu no deki LED screen hakikat to kat ni teli ki Jakah Shillong bat hanong po nongston bat Jowai ban ailat di ki Paidbah bakinya Peitkai ke jingya kun semi-final hapadeng ki tiki art di ki kinho nyelek kai nagathan chetelam mitngi.
For a career for themselves. Here they come again. Bemama now. Looks cool, calm, composed. Good touch by Nesta. On to Thoy Singh. Touch not quite as good. Loses possession. On comes Shillong Lajong. Jithin. Does well to keep possession. Nesta Olbiak, remember it's his second season with North East United. Likewise for the man in defense, Miguel Zabaco. Likewise for their coach, Juan Pedro Benali. Nothing spells success like consistency, at least from a club's point of view. When you have personnel, keep that ball out of danger. The stadium has come to life. Straight away you can see that decibel levels have gone up in the stadium. Hardy needs to put on a good delivery, clear to that first bar. Thoy Singh giving chase to it. Couple of more dignitaries, of course, out there. You can see Narsing Wing as well. Owner of Shillong Lajong Football Club. Has given so much to this team, has given so much to this region as far as
16 and on the right, Thoy. He'll be a very different man inside the box. He's got an eye for a goal.
Nesta puts in the ball, goes wide, was far off. Danger still not cleared for Shillong Lajong. Back with North East United. Thoy Singh attempting another long ranger. Of course, the dignitaries out there. For the state of Meghalaya, it's a brilliant advertisement for the North East that's given so much change in football. It's so good to see that one of those two teams is one that has got so many local players, young local players who dream of playing for a Shillong Lajong. And here's one of them. Into jersey number 21 now. Goes for that long range shot. Gurmeet doing just about enough.
Let's see this
Long
man.
range shot by Bhutajit.
He's one danger man.